that was the whole thing. I am not.
How do you make the cut fit so well? The cut that you make in this, I mean, you took it out of that hole.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Well, I cut it a little bit big. Cut this one first. I cut my other one a little bit big.
You make a template or something?
No, I just kind of eyeballed it, and then when I get it lapped over,
Yeah.
it'll fit. Which it takes a good while to get it to even go over it because it's the same size. But then when you get it over, I put these little, like these, Clecos. You got to drill holes through both, and then Cleco it together. And that holds it in place. And then come back.
Okay, so you make a cut after it's
one time.
I
That way
see.
If you vary any, that'll match on the next one. You know, you can lay it up there, cut this one, and then scribe it, which I've done that too because you see the blue dye. And try to get it right, but it won't be a perfect match. But then when you do this one, like I'm talking about overlapping it, you got to take up the width of the blade that you're cutting with.
the kerf.
Yeah, exactly, just like wood.
Yeah.
But I'll shim it with the thickness of the metal to start with before I clamp it on. That way when I get ready to put it back on, I take them shims out and it'll fit up tight.
Wow.
It'll take up the spot I cut out.
So this is more of an art.
Yeah, well, if you want to do it right,
So is that the process? The whole thing is a spot at a time?
Little bit by little bit.
You're fighting warping, right?
Yeah. Which is just
Because of the heat.
it's the nature of the beast to shrink
Yeah.
any which way. But if you can spread it out, then you have to come back. Like I say, I've got pretty much that whole thing done. I have to come on the inside now and hammer all these welds. When you hammer them flat, it's kind of like the old blacksmith. When you spread it, it grows, you know.
Yeah.
So you want to spread all these welds, and that relaxes them back to where it was.
Hmm.
And the next run, or
Wow.
it's just a, if you go like start on one end and weld up, it'll pull that thing in that far.
Yeah. It'd
You'll
never fit.
Never get it. And most folks that do it like with a MIG welder, you can spot it with it, and you're still never going to get it like you will with this welder. Because this thing's a lot softer. The welds are softer, and they're more malleable. When you smack them, they spread back out. The MIG welder gets so hard, and if you get it too hot and cool, when you try to hammer it, it's going to crack. And a MIG, if you hit the wire welder and try to get a spot that small, it's usually just going to penetrate on the outside.
Okay.
And if you look on the inside, you'll still see that cut mark where the two panels are meeting.
So you're getting all the way through the gap.
If you do it with a MIG, you got to hit it and hit it with about two more in that same spot, and if it gets the metal hot enough, it'll penetrate in. But this thing right here, each one of them welds, they're penetrated fully through there. It looks the same on the back as it does. You know, you get 100%.
Wow.
It's the best way to do it.
Good deal.
When you get done, it'll be solid, have pinholes. But when you put the filler over it, you take a chance if there's a pinhole in it, any moisture coming through.
Right. It'll
and
rust
it's
from the
gonna
inside.
Yeah, and a lot of the MIG welding that people do to them, it's full of them little holes.
Hmm.
And unless you can seal that off from the backside fully, it's always asking for something to come back.
Wow.
When you get through with this and grind it, it's still gonna be some spots that it's gonna have to have a filler on them, but it's one solid piece.
Yeah.
You know, can't, whatever's on the outside is what it is.
Wow.
It can't come back through.